Welcome to this episode of Ask the Guitar Coach, the only podcast where you get answers to all your guitar-related questions. If you're interested in developing your guitar skills and reaching your music goals, please send me an email at the email address ioannis@ioannis.org. That is ioannis@ioannis.org, so that I can let you know about all the different packages of elite guitar coaching and how you can get private coaching by me. Without further ado, let's go to our question for the day. I'm a girl, I play guitar decently and I want to join a band, but I'm very worried that I might get rejected. What can I do? So here's an interesting question, something we have not answered before in any way or form. So what can I say to our viewer, to this girl who has been playing for a while, is a decent guitar player and wants to join a band, but she is worried about getting rejected? It's not going to sound very helpful, but pretty much it is welcome to the real world. Rejection for anything is a very real part of life, and actually of everyday life. And it's going to be a big part of your life if you want to become a musician. Even if you're not a professional, even if you just want to play for fun. Let me give you a quick example. When I was doing my master's degree in California State University, I was performing around the city. I was a very active performer, like probably performing 9 or 10 times every month. And because I was specializing on a specific kind of music, which was flamenco guitar, solo flamenco guitar, I would say I was fairly well known around the city. I would play in all different kind of places. I would play like in different bookstores, play in different recital halls, very active. Now, after a couple of years of doing that, I tried to play at a brand new Barnes & Noble that had opened at the time. And the lady that was in charge of booking the artists, she flat out refused to even book a meeting with me. Even though I had sent my resume, even though I had other people telling her about me, she just flat out rejected, and for no reason that I know at least of. I didn't even get a chance to get my foot in the door, and then she would say maybe you're not a good fit or something like that for our bookstore. It was just a flat out rejection. So why am I telling you this story? Because you will get rejected in life, no matter what, no matter how good you are, it doesn't matter. And you have to get a little bit used to that. And that's pretty much it. You have to develop kind of a thick skin. Now, I would dare say that guys, boys, are slightly better prepared for that, because boys have been rejected a lot by girls during especially their earlier years. So they kind of have developed a little bit more of thick skin. Once again, this is not a hard and fast rule, but it just tends to happen a little bit more. So you being a girl, you'll have to get to learn this thing kind of the hard way in music. So what do I suggest that you do? I wish there was some way to make it easier for you to deal with the rejection or with possible rejection. The only thing we can do is to basically make you understand, like tell you that it really doesn't matter even if you get rejected, and then prepare you very well so that the chances of you getting rejected are very low. And this is exactly what I would like to focus on. Instead of worrying about whether you're going to be rejected or not rejected from a band, focus on learning the songs that they're going to tell you to learn as good as possible, having your act together when you play for them, when you do your audition, let's say, and just be a good professional player and a good person while you're performing and before and after, when you meet those people that are in the band that you want to play. If you do this, the chances of you not getting rejected are very, very high. Of course, there's always the chance that something might go wrong or that they find someone else, but the chances will be much less than if you concentrate on what will happen if you get rejected. So there you have it. I wish you the best of luck. Definitely go and try out for that band, and if it doesn't work, go and try out for another band. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you on the next episode of Ask the Guitar Coach. Bye bye.